Hey guys, it's Chanel. How are you? I hope all is well. All is actually not well over here. My boyfriend the other day, ex-boyfriend now, told me that he wasn't ever going to buy me diamonds, and I'm like not okay with that. So I dumped him, and I think that you should too. If your boyfriend, fiance, husband, God, let's hope you're not in that mess, but if they're not gonna buy you diamonds, they're not worth the time. They're really not. It's just like not, I'm not waiting for a man, a boy, to buy me diamonds because I can just go buy them myself. I called Patty. Patty's my jeweler. Patty is a gem. She's literally a gem. I called her and she told me that she's gonna have everything lined up for me tomorrow. And I'm probably just gonna buy it all. Because diamonds are a girl's best friend, and I don't need a man, I just need a best friend. this is your reminder. Don't wait for no man. Don't wait for a man to give you the time or the energy or happiness or diamonds, flowers, dinners. Don't wait. Go get it for yourself.